Tell this judge why you can't work anymore.
Well, it's just the chronic pain. I can't function well anymore. You know, like I said, there's days I need help getting dressed. It kills me to bend. Putting on my socks and shoes, it's just a challenge.
I've heard enough. Let me just ask the VE something. Ms. Wright, characterize the past work, please.
The past work was medium in exertion per the DOT, at times heavy per the vocational exhibits, semi-skilled in nature with an SVP of a 3 to 4 depending on the job task on any given day. The job description and the DOD description are similar, the exception being that he may lift over 50 pounds depending on the workflow, and that's not uncommon.
Here the VE characterizes the past work in terms of its physical exertion and the skill required to do the work. There is a resource called the DOT, and the VE usually relies on it to characterize the work. The ALJ has to compare what he thinks you can still do physically and mentally against the demands of your past work to see if you can still do it.
Okay, any skills transferable to sedentary work?
No.
Would there be... okay, assume I have a hypothetical worker of the same age, education, and work experience. This worker is limited to, at best, sedentary work, but that such work must have an option to stand briefly every 30 to 45 minutes, no more than occasional bending. The worker must have a cane available to him. Could he do his past work?
No.
Would there be any light exertional work?
No.
Okay. If I accept his self-described functional limitations to include the incidence of pain as he relates it, his postural limits on sitting, standing, and walking, would there be any work he could perform in the national economy?
No, he cannot maintain posture long enough, and he would experience frequent lapses in concentration on job tasks, either of which precludes all work.
Okay, there are some state assessments that include